Hey everyone, Mike here with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, the home of easy-to-use and versatile Excel tools designed to simplify your life. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce a tool that's a real game changer. It's our Convert Lat Long to Address tool. With this tool, you can effortlessly convert coordinates into physical addresses in just minutes, all within Excel. At ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, we've been creating powerful Excel tools for over 16 years, helping more than 7,500 customers worldwide, from small businesses to large corporations. With over 120 five-star Google reviews from satisfied clients, we're proud of the difference our tools have made in transforming workflows. But don't just take our word for it. Check out the reviews yourself. Whether you're a data analyst, real estate professional, or logistics expert, this tool will save you time, reduce errors, and make your workflow more efficient. Forget manual lookups or switching between apps. Everything you need is right in your spreadsheet. Let's dive into how simple this tool is to use. Paste your latitude and longitude coordinates into columns A and B in Excel. If you have your latitudes and longitudes in one column, you can easily separate them using Excel formulas or text to columns. Once you've done that, click the Run button. The tool will instantly generate the street, city, state, and zip code for these coordinates accurately and effortlessly. And here's the best part. It works for addresses worldwide, not just in the US. With just one click, you can convert thousands of coordinates into addresses, saving you hours of tedious work. Download the Convert Lat Long to Address tool now using the link in the description, and let it transform the way you work. What truly sets us apart is our dedication to outstanding customer service. Have questions or need assistance? We're here for you. You can reach out anytime via email or phone. Our contact details are in the video description, and they're displayed on the screen right now. You can also chat with us live on our website at ExcelDistanceCalculators.com. Rest assured, you'll be speaking with a real person, not a bot. Need something customized? We've built hundreds of custom tools for businesses just like yours. Let us know your specific requirements, and we'll tailor a solution to fit your needs. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, comment if you have questions, and subscribe to stay updated on our latest tools. Until next time, happy converting.